I mean, how do you juggle your family life with your work life?
So I will tell you, when I was in corporate, it was much harder because I was traveling. They
Mhm.
had me on a plane a lot of times, and my son, I just had a newborn son, so I was out of town a lot of his first year of life.
Okay.
Now, work for me is a choice, and I like to joke around and I say, you know what, I don't wake up until I'm finished sleeping, and when I'm finished sleeping, then I wake up. So, and I seriously mean that. I'm not a morning person.
Mhm.
So I don't have an alarm. Usually, if I'll set an alarm, it's the alarm will be set for the time where I say, man, I really shouldn't be still in bed past this time.
Mhm.
That's the only time I'll set an alarm. It's like I was in Washington, D.C., and I had to get to the airport. So my alarm is set for, if I hear this and it wakes me up, I'm in trouble. That means I'm running late. So that's the only time I'll really set an alarm. So for me now, like when my boys are in college now, so they'll come home and man, we'll be playing video games from like 10 in the morning till 3, 4 in the afternoon.
Hmm.
So I get to choose when I work, when I don't work. And even if it's something that I really got to get done, and there's a lot of things to do, I can do it. I can wait till my wife falls asleep, and then I'll go do it, or I'll get it done before she comes home, or I can outsource it.
Hmm.
Right? Like right now, we've got a project we're working on, and we're going to be running some Google AdWords traffic to it. Guess what? I just hired a guy and say, hey, I could do this myself, but I'm a little busy right now. Let me pay you some money to do it for me. And he's like, oh, yeah, I understand AdWords. I get that you understand it, but I want you to do it my way, this way,
Hmm.
you know. So I'll give you the strategies, but you do it. So he's going to do all the legwork of it, so I don't have to do that. I just got to do the thinking part, which was not going to take 15 minutes, 20 minutes. His work is going to be hours. So the other aspect of it is let somebody else do the work, right? I would rather come up with a new idea or a new product to sell than sit there and actually do the work.